including my own song Inside Him, he said, yeah, Rosam which Nwaji's song, some song, you say that, I think, yeah,
of course.
Yeah, so I think that's where this guy like, got it from. Ochitegela kwe kumentioninga ne tabu,
na yeta chimanyine beat je bajija
kwe kumentioninga ne tabu, because let me tell you, I was in a studio.
Let
me tell you honestly, that song Inside Him, nali mu studio nze mwenyini, nze nendeta idea, he's here. Nendeta idea ya beat wenzagale sounding. I swear to God, that song where yogela mbu twaroza, never.
For real, for real. Original beat?
Yeah, it was freaking original. I swear to God. I don't know where he got it from. I swear to God.
What is the word original to you?
Is what is composed the raw.
Yeah.
So,
and it was let me tell you.
Did you make the beat? Okay, did you find the beat done?
No. Hell no.
Who did the beat?
Let me tell you. I call this nigga in a studio. Yeah. And I had DiMario as a producer.
Yeah.
Sina nesimu actually yatandika kwa hiyo beat. Muntandikwa siya ya lukola. So I call this guy. Inze mumaindi yange nani njagala kola nono chali. Na yenga nina specific thing.
No,
I'm telling you the truth, bro. Like, for real, I'm telling you the truth. No, for real.
Even there's actually kuliko naban. Actually, let me tell you something.
It's
not me alone.
A minute,
Abantu banji.
Then you tell us.
Sir, a minute. Sir, a minute. Sir, a minute. It's not like it hurt me. No. I love Winnie Nwaji to death. I really do. She's one of my favorite artists. Now I think this gentleman here, ayogelating to maybe I don't know. Maybe ayogelating to okusinzira bwawulira like in his mind. Nalowo zambu it's the reality of things. But then is ndimukugamba. This is the writer, I am the singer.
So there is no producer. I can't talk to you guys.
Oluyimba.
Then how?
So I can't talk to you guys.
So you guys
oluyimba lwa Inside olwo nange naliwo kongo oluyimba olwo lukolebwa naze wa Dr. Brain nabasanga muri mukola.
They are not the producers.
Guys, let us first come down.
Awo towards how professional it is basobola nyumya namwe awo mwe muri batufu bambi mwe muri batufu maybe